Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Amollo, Minping, the Honorable Dr. Ida Odinga, Your Excellency, the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Your Excellency, the Honorable Martha Karua, the Deputy Leader of our party, the Honorable Wamalwa Kijana, Excellency Professor Wajakoya, the Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, Leader of the Jubilee Party, His Excellency the Governor of Siaya County, James Bob Agbi-Orengo, honorable members present, led by the Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga as the Senator of Siaya, the Honorable Tim Wanyonyi, the Honorable Opio Wandai, the Honorable Rosa Buyu, the Honorable Dr. Christine Ombaka, the Honorable Opondo Kaluma, the Honorable Dr. Joshua Oron, the Honorable Sam Atandi, the Speaker of Siaya, Honorable George Okode, all the MCAs from all the counties here represented, the bishops and leadership of the church, but more importantly, the families of the deceased who are here present, who we are honoring today. Good afternoon. It is actually a very bad afternoon. We are in prayers. We are in mourning. We will move fast. We have families here of those deceased who are here with us. 5 families. We also have families of those who are deceased and were already buried last weekend. We were there with the Right Honorable Prime Minister in various parts. We have the family of David Otiende Agan, who was killed here in Bondo, from Siala Kaduol in Game. As I mentioned, the family is just